Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope everyone is well. Today we'll discuss how natural electricity works. Natural gas is a fossil fuel like other fossil fuels such as coal and oil. Natural gas forms from the planets, animals, and microbes that lived millions of years ago. There are several different theories that explain how fossil are formed. The most prevalent theory is that they from underground under intense conditions as planets, elements, and micrograms decompose. They are greatly covered by layers of soil, sediment, and sometimes rock. Over millions of years, the organic matter is compressed as the organic matter moves deeper into Earth's core. It encounters higher and higher temperatures. The combination of compression and high temperature causes the carbon bonds in the organic matter to break down. The molecular breakdown products natural gas methane, probably the most organic compound on Earth, is made of carbon and hydrogen CH4. Natural gas deposits are often found near oil deposits. Deposits of natural gas close to the Earth's surface are usually dwarfed by nearby oil deposits. Deeper deposits formed at the higher temperature and under more pressure have more natural gas than oil. The deepest deposits can be made up of pure natural gas. Natural gas does not have to be formed deep underground, however, it can be found formed by tiny microorganisms called methagens. Methane organisms live in the skin of animals, including humans, and in low oxygen areas near the surface of the earth. Landfills, for example, are full of decomposing matter that methane organs break down into a type of methane called biogenic methane. The process methane creating natural gas methane is called methanogenesis. Although most biogenic methane escapes into the atmosphere, there are new technologies being created to contain and harvest this potential energy source. Their methane, the natural gas formed deep the Earth's surface, can also escape to the atmosphere. Some of the gas is available to reach through formidable matter such as Rogas rock and eventually dispute into the atmosphere. However, most thermogenetic methods that rise to surface encounters geological formation that are too